All right, next swimwear problem. Where are we at? This one. My high-waisted bottom sometimes look like a diaper is on. What should I do? All right, we're gonna have a nice little mini office session. The first thing I would do is identify what your body shape is. I mean, yes, we can eyeball these women's shape, but I really like to get the measurements and also the silhouettes of what your body shape is so I can see what area is longer than the other. Next, once we define what your body shape is, then that's when we're able to see what style, what cut, what fabric is best appropriate for your body shape. I can't really just give you a cookie cutter type of answer. I mean, yes, it can probably look like a diaper, but these two women right here are wearing the same type of bathing suit and it looks amazing. But for you, you can have a totally different body shape. There's just so many different factors as to why it looks like a diaper. I mean, is the ruching on your butt it makes it look kind of like a diaper? Is it around? I mean, what there's just so many different things. I can't really give you a one size fit all. Again, I said in the beginning, if you are looking for a quick fix, I'm not your girl. And you're not in front of me. But yeah, first determining what your body shape is. I mean, if you're a smaller type of girl, we can definitely talk about that. But if you're a bigger type of girl, we could talk about that. Yeah, there's just so many again, I don't know which way to kind of just go. So my mind just goes to so many different places as far as why it looks like a diaper. If you're looking for just that one answer, I can't. Unfortunately, women have so many different shapes of their bodies that I truly come across. I like to be realistic with my people, regardless if I'm online or offline. That's just how I am. So I really can't define it. I'm probably going to get a lot of dislikes. I don't really care. But knowing what your body shape is first, and then from there, we can see why it looks like a diaper, whether it's too big, whether it's designed, because the design or the detailing is on a very voluptuous part of your butt. There's just so many different things, all right?